The role of
Fucking censor a little too fucking hard. I really hope my balls fly. Damn, I hope my radiator.
Foundations of society. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. From ancient times, people have built shelters to protect themselves from elements and wild animals. Over time, these structures became more complex, leading to the development of architecture. It is about homes provide security, schools offer places for children. Offices are where people work and produce goods. None of these would exist without the construction industry. Economically, the construction industry plays a significant role in
Right, see you later, mate, yeah? In a bit then.
In developing countries, the construction is often building new roads, railways, airports, includes open up trade opportunities and connect. In urban areas, real estate development can attract investment, increase property values, and stimulate public spaces and monuments tells the story of a society's history, beliefs, and values. In many cities, architecture defines the It consumes large amounts of energy, water, and it produces pollution. Poorly planned construction can lead to deforestation, soil erosion, and destruction of wildlife habitats. Therefore, the construction industry is facing increasing pressure on people and ecosystem. This means using eco-friendly and smart infrastructure to create technological advancements. Technology is transforming the construction industry in exciting ways. Innovations such as artificial intelligence and global information are making construction Automation and robotics are also changing how construction works. Robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, or perform dangerous tasks. These technologies are not only increasing productivity, but also helping address construction and smart design will be essential in the future. In addition, the industry must address issues in many cities. Housing prices are rising faster than schools, leading to housing shortages. It influences the economy, shapes society, reflects culture, and impacts. Whether it's building bridges that the role of construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential responsible for shaping the physical to hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers. Construction contributes directly to infrastructure and development. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services. The foundations of society. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. From ancient times, people have built shelters to protect themselves from the elements and wild animals. Over time, complex, leading to the development of architecture, engineering, and urban life. Today, construction is no longer just about survival, it's about improving the quality of life. Homes provide security and comfort for families. Schools offer places for children to learn and grow. None of these would exist without the construction industry. Economic impact. The construction industry plays a significant role in it creates millions of jobs worldwide. Engineers, architects, and project managers, laborers, electricians, plumbers, and painters. Construction also supports many other industries, such as railways, airports, and ports can open up trade opportunities and connect people to new areas. Real estate development can attract investment, increase property values,